Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel all about sustainability. I am your host Dr. Dheeraj Joshi. Today we will learn about three important topics. One, helmet. Second, rule of 9 in case of fire. And third, which is windsock, how to read windsock. Have you ever seen this and what is it? But don't worry, this is not a boring class. We will keep it simple, fun and bit crazy. So don't worry about it. If you are working on a site, so this video is for you. If you are going for an interview, so this video is for you. If you want to pursue your career in safety, so this video is for you. So let's start our safety comedy show. I promise you today we are going to more fun than your office safety meeting. In today's session, what you are going to expect. First, today I'll show you how to check helmet properly, what helmet color mean, how to calculate burns using rule of 9, what to do in case of any accident or burn cases, and how a simple windsock help you understand the wind direction and wind speed. And yes, jokes are included and for free of cost. Even this video is for free of cost. You enter in premises and you wear 3 helmet. Welcome to Helmet Fashion Show. Let's check helmet in a simple steps. Step 1. Looks for crack, dents or anything. If you see somebody use this helmet to crack the coconut, then throw it. Check the chain straps. If it is loose, the helmet will fly before you do. Check the inside suspension. This is most important thing. If the foam is old and broken, the helmet is useless. Check cleanliness. That means if you are wearing a helmet with other person's sweat, this is not good for your hygiene health as well. Check certification ISI, ANSI, EN. No certificate means no helmet. If any of these things are failed, replace the helmet immediately. If your helmet smells like 2017, it's time to replace it. Color coding. Why color coding? Actually, every helmet has a color code and color code usually follows in many sectors, but what happens in our industries, day-to-day life, we are not following the color coding, but we should follow. We try to follow it. So I am just giving you a brief about the color coding. If you want to follow it, it's up to you. So white is for engineers and managers, yellow for workers and laborers, blue for supervisor and technicians, green for safety officers, red for firefighters or emergency team member. There is difference between safety officer and firefighter. What happen? People are confused and they will think that both have to wear the same thing. No, safety officers will protect you from injury and fire officer will protect you when there is fire incident happen or in case of any emergency. Please note this thing. Safety officer job is to provide you safe working environment and the fire officer job is to provide you guys when you are in emergency, so his job is to protect you guys. Okay, so that is different between safety officer and fire officer. And orange is for visitors. Okay, so yes, if you see someone using orange helmet and he lost, it's common because he is not aware, he is not very well vice versa with our facility. Now I am going to show you what is helmet expiry, how you are going to identify your helmet is going to expire or not, or this is not for the safety officer. Anybody who is working in a factory or anywhere, he should check whether whatever helmet he is getting, is it expired or used. Helmet lasts only 3 to 5 years depending on the manufacturer. So what you have to do, you have to check the date inside the shell. Some helmets show the month using a small circle sticker. So be careful of it. You can see in this PPT how you are going to identify your expiry date. Okay, as you can see in this given PPT where you have to see how you identify when your helmet is going to expire. So one circle means year and another circle means month. Okay, so if suppose if it is showing 25 and month is showing 3, so it means in March 25 this helmet is going to be expired. So that helmet is already expired and we are using it. Please make sure you have to check your helmet daily or once in a month. If the helmet is faded, just replace it. No need to wear helmet in which expiry date is not written. Sun damage is real. If plastic become weak, so change your helmet. in our safety, we are saying people don't use helmet which is older than your work experience. Okay, so please change it on time. Now coming back to rule of 9. What is rule of 9? Why I am focusing on that topic? Because many safety officers, many fire officers are not aware about it, and they don't know what is rule of 9 and why we have to use it. It is medical term. No, it is not medical term. It is our term also. In safety terms, in fire terms, this is mandatory. So now I am going to tell you rule of 9 for adults. Okay, there are rule of 9 for adults and there are rule of 9 for infant. Okay, so I am going to cover for rule of 9 for adults. So rule of 9 tells us how much body is burned. Adult head is 9%, each arm 9%, so 4.5 this side till here, 4.5 and 4.5 till here, till shoulder. Okay, so total is 9%. Same 9%, 9%, 18%, 9% are head, back is 9%, chest front is 9%, back is 9%, and whole body like this whole is 36%, 18%, upper body and lower body 18%, 9 and 9, 9 and 9. Okay, so 18, 18, 36, 9, 9, 9. Each leg is 18%. Is front leg, 9% is back leg. Each leg is 18%, but it will cover 9%. Okay? And 1% is your private part, as you can see the given image. This is emergency math, the only math which we use without calculator. So now coming back to rule of 9 for children case or infant cases. For children, head is bigger than the all other body parts. So head is 18% and rest body part is 9%, as you can see the given image. But here is a trick. The leg is 14%. So 7 plus 7. Okay. For child, in case of child emergency, use this the calculator, as you can see the given image. So there is a incident happen where a person is saying in emergency, what happened that if a person is burned more than 20%, we have to rush to the hospital. This is the basic phenomena. So one time what happened that a guy burned only 18%. That guy is fire officer. So he was saying how bad is my burn. So some of my colleague is replying that your burn is 9 plus 9 is 18%, but we need to go to hospital, not holiday. So it's a real incident. It happened with us when we were in the training. So what steps we have to follow if there is any emergency or fire incident or burn case? So first, remove the victim from fire source. Don't try to remove stuck clothing. Okay. Cool burn with the running water and running cold water, not hot water, running cold water, 10 to 15 minutes in each and every body part. No need to shy that this body part is burned by the oil, whether I put this water or not. You have to put water only. Okay. Just put water, nothing else. Cover with clean and non-stick cloth. And please, please, please do not apply toothpaste, oil, butter. We are not cooking butter chicken. Okay. So please do not apply toothpaste, oil and butter. Call emergency help. Toothpaste is for the teeth, not for the burn. Please understand. Do not put ice also. Just put cold water. That is enough and that is sufficient in case of burning. Now coming back to the final topic, which is windsock. What is windsock? Have you ever seen it? No, we have seen, but we don't know how to read it. Correct? So what windsock tell us? It tell us wind direction and wind speed. How? Let me explain you guys. So open hand always tells us where wind is coming from and tail where wind is going on. So in case of emergency, the rule is where smoke is going, you have to be opposite of that direction in case of fire emergencies. Okay. So how we got to know the where is the wind direction? So where is wind is going? Because fume is going opposite the wind side. So we will directly see the windsock and we can identify, okay, wind is going from that, for that wind is going on that side. So we have to do firefighting from the opposite side. That's why. If windsock is straight, so trust me, your helmet will feel the wind. So now let me explain you in the given image how to read windsock. Each strips about 3 knots, and 3 knots means 5.5 kilometer per hour is wind speed. It is wind speed. Okay, so one strip means 3 knots, 5.5 kilometers per hour wind speed. 2 strips means 6 knots, 11 kilometer per hour wind speed. 3 strips means 16.5 kilometer per hour is wind speed. 4 strips, 12 knots, 22 kilometer per hour wind speed, and 5 knots means fully straight. It means 16 knots and 28 kilometer per hour is wind speed. So just keep in your mind. So please note, windsock is fully straight. It means wind is blowing 28 kilometers per hour and more than that, not below than that. Where windsock help us? Windsock help us in evacuation planning, gas leak direction, drone and helicopter safety, workplace safety. Don't trust your weather app. Trust the windsock. So in summary, what we have learned in this video is helmet check, damage, expiry dates, color coding of helmets, burn, rule of 9, first aid, 10 to 15 minutes cold water, and no cream, no butter, and no toothpaste. We are not cooking butter chicken. And windsock, direction plus where to use it. If you like this fun safety video, hit like or subscribe. Comment your funniest helmet movement. If you want me to cover another topic or some topic which you want me to cover, so just let me know. I will incorporate in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Stay safe. Stay sustainable.